Hi class, today just want to do a brief review of some of the functions that we have been utilizing. This video is about frequency function and about the histogram function. So as you remember, we had a data file called iPad sales, in which this is the number of iPads that were sold over the course of 50 days. So over the course of 50 days, somewhere between 0 and 5 iPads were sold in an electronics store. So what we want to do is we want to further examine and use the frequency function as well as the histogram function to figure out what the distribution is of the frequency of sales. So let's start out with the frequency function. So as you remember, we're going to highlight the bins. So this is where we're going to count the occurrences, and then the way we use the frequency function is equal to frequency. And here it is. It tells you frequency calculates how often values occur within a range of values and then turns a vertical array of numbers giving one or more elements in that bin array. Meaning, if we're going to take the overall populations of occurrences and then count how many specific occurrences happen within this array. So I'm selecting frequency. Then Excel prompts us to highlight our array. So this is the data that we're analyzing. And then these are the bins that we are counting. So we're counting 0 through 5. And so in order to get it to return the correct count, remember we talked about that in class, we need to do Control, Shift, and Enter. And there we are. Number of iPads sold, 0. There were 5 days when 0 instances of no sales occurring, 8 instances of 1 sale account occurring, 14 instances of 2 sales occurring, and so on, right? So we can do the same thing with the histogram function. So if you remember, data analysis, and then we're going to go to histogram, click OK, input range, just like the array. This is our input range. Bin range. These are the bins that we're counting. We're going to use the labels. Next, I'm going to go back because I should have captured bins too. Output range. We're just going to put you can put your output anywhere. We're going to arbitrarily put our output here. And then remember, to get the histogram, you have to chart your output. And then click OK. And voila, here it is. Here's our histogram along with our bin arrays. And remember, I told you there's a default in Excel that gives you this more. We can just take that out. We don't need that, and we can take that out. And then taking it out, it also takes it off of your histogram. So with that very short video, good luck. See you in class.